Of course, Fambul, it's another weekend live from studios of SLBC FM 80. It's another exclusive moment of sports live from studio of Mena in Makeni. Fambul, Mina Ibrahim Bai China, sports personality of the year 2019 Fania Award. So I would like for welcoming live inside the program when our weekend sports on SLBC television on channel 24 Namakeni. We headlines them this evening inside the program. The Sierra Leone Premier League playoff don't kickstart nationwide. Of course, we will bring you all the analysis in relation to the playoff, more especially the Northern region, also with the winner Northeast region. And the organizing committee for the Dr. Ernest by Coleman Trophy, they don't donate 5 million euros plus 20 bag of wrestling at 25 kilogram to the Makai team. You will get the full detail of that story. And of course, as a way for CLPS them keep themselves prepared and fit for the upcoming female playoff. When the Premier League for them female them not alone. One part team the Northern region when men and queen they don't get a friendly match. We said them been going been color play Malimba Queens for a crucial friendly match, but then suffer 3-0 defeats. I will bring you the full report of that story because I be there now the been colored Soundfield and witness that match here. And of course South African billionaire and also the owner of Membildon Sondor when Patrick Motsepe don't win the election for become the new CAF winner the Confederation of African Football Presidents unopposed as they been pulled other one than the race. And big day, the day where Sierra Leone make history, what we all not go forget, when at the 12th March, when at the Friday, the CAF General Assembly, when at the 4th Assembly and the 43 Assembly, the election update to side Madam Aisha Johansi, we don't scoop as a member now for the FIFA Council. If we don't win that day on the 28th, so neither Sekera winner Burundi to 24. We'll give you the full detail. And inside the international, Karim Benzema score late winner as Real Madrid beat Elche 2-1 in the La Liga. We'll bring you all that detail inside the program winner weekend sports on SLBC television channel 24 Namakeni. Of course, send text on the number on the screen 078661366. And inside the program today, I get my colleague who join me who can talk sports. When a colleague sports reporter, but in the work for Amzas Radio, so you don't join me at the studio. We in name
Mohamed Baloutouri.
Of course, Mohamed Baloutouri. Mohamed Balou, welcome to Weekend Sports.
All right.
Of course, the Sierra Leone Premier League playoff bid on kickstarts, and you bid on the follow Ram Kinley. So far, what are the observations that we make?
Very tough one indeed. Fabulous, you get from the headline. Finally, the playoffs don't start right across the country. Of course, I want for basically limited to the northern region, both the northwest and the northeast. We don't see how things don't go on. And of course, we get some players that are northwest. We basically we start all over again, and the northeast we just continue with the last 5. After we get the injunctions into that, but then we finally continue the last 5. And of course, several games said only play at the Makenio Field, and today we get the last 2 games then. So of course, you don't see how things and only go up in the first game and our Ocean Stars we get the biggest wins ever. And now the Makenio Field for win against FCCR2 by
the qualifying.
The Premier League qualifying. With 8-0 against FCCR2, and CR2 again we lost against the second game. The team we don't concede the highest goals inside the playoffs so far, and of course the team we don't score the highest goals now. Ocean Stars, of course, I would say. They are the favorites into this particular competition because waiting with the see right now into all the goals. We don't see a lot of impact. We don't create so far, scoring a lot of goals. Not a length. No win all the games and so far we don't play, and we see other teams and be hopeful. They struggle right now. The area best is not an exemption. Then and get a first win, and the second game they get a draw against Cape Town Lions, and the other game FC Seattle, the underdogs, they finally defeat Area Best. That don't say it was a very much sad one indeed. And today again, Area Best are suffering in the hands of Hosum Stars by 4 goals to 1 according to. And and also again, Cape Town Lions don't play against Khalifa Stars. Of course, we finally get today the final finalists that we go play the final, because according to the fixtures that the winner, the league winner, will play against the Gunners Pop into a grand final where they play on the 16th of this particular month.
Okay. Of course, Fumble, the program now, Weekend Sport, it gets alive on SLBC Television, Channel 24, now McKinney, where they bring up my name now, Ibrahim Barry. Of course, Fumble, the program now, Weekend Sport, it gets alive on television, Channel 24, now McKinney, where they bring up now, Ibrahim Barry. After where you soon start, they don't beat FCC also, Seattle say they know, send them quick more the playoff the day before the fixture.
According to what we learned from that particular, it's it's impromptu, and according to that, they no longer even getting the fixture directly from the FA secretariat, and it was very much bad according to them. They just honor because they don't prepare. I don't say them they train, but for that particular date schedule was become it's untimely for them. But waiting again, we get from the FA inside that I don't tell them they tell the team they say they will continue for the train as any time they will come, they will pull out the fixtures, and I believe then now that stands they still continue it, and of course Seattle they honor the fixtures because they want to participate, they want to get through the playoffs, so they participate, but they suffer in the hands of Hosum Stars by 8 goals. Khalifa Stars go into goalless draw. Now don't tell you say yes, of course the impact. And now Area Best don't finally according to waiting, because them get 4 points, and Cape Town Lions get immediately 5 points, and of course Khalifa Stars remain at 4 points. 4 points to Area Best, 4 points to Khalifa Stars, and of course 3 points to FC Seattle, and the bigger points come up from Hosum Stars, winning all of their matches. From the start. So they are the league winners already with the highest goals.
So they're going to play the Gunners up.
Yeah, they're going to play the Gunners up, and according to the fixture, the Gunners up will be Cape Town Lions.
Okay. The program now, Weekend Sport, just continue for sending text on the number where you see now your screen. As the playoff for the Premier League, they don't kickstart nationwide all over for no updates and how exactly the playoff they go on, and waiting at some of the decisions them or some of the thing them where the Sierra Leone Football Association don't receive when complaints. My own colleague when Augustine Brahima Kano, they talk to the media and marketing officer for the Sierra Leone Football Association when Coach Lamin at this interview.
Well, basically, we get 4 venues them where we don't alight for this playoff, and we get for the southern region we been choose Bo City. Now the playoff they play, and for the eastern region we be choose Kono where now the playing venue, and for the northwest we be choose Port Loko, and for the north we be choose Usumfit for where we play this playoff. But as you know, see the playoff we don't start from the 9th of this month, and they done the 16th of this month so far. So we don't almost get 2 teams them we almost done they up there. They just they wait now for the second man. Then for example, we don't get for McKinney, we don't get to Hosum Stars. We don't play the 3 match and they don't win or 3, and they force now the group, and we go again inside Port Loko, we are the northwest. Then back don't play 3 match and they get 9 points, where they don't almost qualify for play the one-off match with the second man. They wait now for the second man, and also again inside Bo, we don't see inside Limo they force, but although again they don't force now only by goals, because also they get 6 points, and Mount Ores Lifa also back again get 6 points, and we go inside the eastern region. Inside Kono, then you don't get the first and second already, because after the 3 games played, you don't see inside Salon Police don't get 7 points, then they first and second with estate contractors we themselves don't play 3 games, they don't win 2, they don't go 1 and get 7 points. So for the Eastern region, we don't almost get the teams then will go to the finals for let them go to the Premier League because we don't get Salon Police Day first, STD second,
Okay.
so then 2 they play.
Okay, maybe make a only shortly. How this one they play? Is it now by points? A team they qualify for go to the Premier League, or when I get another way when I set up for me, the team qualify to the Premier League.
Well, by points will be determined for the first and second, but for going to the Premier League, now one off match then get for play. After they don't play them all them four matches. When at today the 14th of March, we get for play today with last matches across the country. Now make today if you find out that for example inside McKinney, we get for see Usum Star get for play against area best now Usum Field. They will get for see Cape Town Lions we come all the way now Kabbalah therefore play against Kolifa Stars from Agroka. Then they play at Tekobarak. So they all play simultaneously way na 4:30 all the games then they play. So now the same thing get for happening across all the other regions.
So specifically not to point. After they don't get the first and second go play, they get the finals, then the one team will go to the Premier League.
Exactly.
So it go happen for all other.
For all sides, the first and second, they always they go play a one-off match, and that one-off match, anybody will win, now in they go to the Premier League.
So far, let me talk. Maybe there are few isolated incidents we go happen so far in the tournament. So we'll take me through like one major one maybe pop up now that one for do with Bulom Stars and that's of Bible always and Koyoko. So far, waiting now be the actions of the SLFA. And waiting some of the other incidents will happen inside the playoff.
Well, yes, as you say, say this is football. It dey happen. Yes, we get some incidents them will be happen. We not 2 venues only. We don't get that complaint as a football federation. We get the other one Kono. We are going to start with first. We the match the 3. We police for play against estate contractors. We didn't get an official letter from the estate. Team say we then go for road inspection. Salon police will go and put tear gas and pepper spray na the players, their eyes and official as well. But then they will be don't treat them. The disciplinary committee we don't see that we don't pull a verdict on them. So that one day will be seen as and case will be isolated. Then also again the key one as we be saying the match the 2 between Bible Warriors and that of Bulom Stars. We will get the official complaint back again from the match commissioner where they also with the referee assessor and also again the media officer attached where they will get complaints say after where the central referee they don't blow penalty for Bible Warriors. We will see who side the players from Bulom we go plus the coach again we then go attack the coach the referee sorry. Then do damage, then put the game into dispute where the match will get for abandon and the match not be able to continue. So after that they meet the disciplinary committee sit down and 110 follow we pull a date because as you know say we not get enough time because time not in our favor. So we been go and pull a verdict where we make sure say Bible Warriors and find them guilty of the offenses, then whether the state inside the way we take the points in the hand we give to Bible Warriors. And also again, we can go and find them an amount of 2 million loans. And also again, we will ban the coach. Say the coach not go day now that touchdown till the end of this particular competition. And the players then back where they allege say that they are salary referee, they insult you some kind of words and way they be safe for suspend. Later we be get for suspended also. But they be appeal because as you know, say in any case, they give way for appeal because. Let we say here on side. So whether they appeal, we sit down back again at the matter and the appeals committee, they see and say do not be see any reasons for let them ban them player then they. So they allow again for let the 7 players then will be done ban initially play again because after we appeal, the appeals committee they see say do not be warrant for let them ban them at all. But the goal we pull the points in the hand and we ban the coach and also again the fine of the money instant.
Okay, well this might be for the players well. From the technical staff, the other fans, I don't get reports of maybe bad officiating or some other problem maybe from the officials.
Well, this is a global thing. You know, say, however, for example, me and you to get a team where they support in Europe, we follow people and say if we get VAR, still they see we dissatisfied with officiating. But one major thing what we get in our salon is that the players and also the official, they're not affair with the rules. So some way then the way referee go blow something, we do not understand it, they see and say, oh, this is not the correct one because you don't get knowledge of them. So for talking about bad officiating, yeah, then a fans view, then we talk say this referee the rule, but Salo, you know, say now a common habit and a thing we don't
But
take in
to una as people where they in charge of the league, like the SLFA, and I don't find out maybe the complaints, and I don't tell for the investigation for find out whether it's still.
Well, we not get any official complaint from any team.
Okay.
Say they don't rule good, they don't do this, they don't do that. Yeah, maybe not just a public opinion say this referee do that, but we not get any official complaint. As far as we concern, we get in the referee department, now the Sierra Leone Football Association, we headed by Mr. Boyd Freeman, we also know the security and safety officer back again at the Sierra Leone Football Association. So they are professionals. As far as we concern, the referee then we they choose for we for letting rep this. I feel say they have done well so far.
Moving forward, when we go see the finals of the playoff and the playoff and get teams we officially go to the Premier League.
Well, as you know, say today we get the last matches, and after we don't play today, we give them 2 days for let them rest, for let them prepare for going to the one-off match when they go determine whether they go to the Premier League. So today, after today, Sunday, then go blow. We go Sunday, then go blow. Monday, then go blow. Then the 16th, when Tuesday, now we go play the final matches across the 4 venues. Then we get anybody we win the matches, and then they go to the Premier League.
So almost teams will go to the Premier League.
Now 4 teams they go to the Premier League. We go hard to the 40 will get there. We get 18 in total.
Of course, you know, Coach Lamine in interview Barrow. I come to you. When are the media man in relation to the tournament?
Yeah, of course, you don't get some very much clarity within Coach Lamine. Say this is exactly within, teams are not they cry out, teams are not they, a lot of complaints. Everything is, I mean, challenging anyway, and a lot of the things then somebody can say it's informed, but you don't tell me the preparation day. And now we don't come almost to the climax of the competition. That don't tell you say yes. Then still, how did they get the challenge? They try for fix up certain things and put them. So we did, then they already learn from the mistake, try for do the corrections. But that they tell and say yes, they have to do more, and then need for create that livelihood and environment and give the free space so that everything will become more simple and get the better simplicity.
Okay, of course, Coach Lamine also talk about the match between Bulom Stars and Baibure, where he also said the issue of a post-game penalty, where there not be penalty during the match, not so after the match, but where the goalkeeper be done better now, so they can't score later now.
Yeah, of course, that particular that controversial play we bring up hiccups where even the fans or that managers intrude inside. For Bingham, that kind of which we can only describe as Soko. And I know would tell well, and I don't tell you yes, the management or the managers them or the coaches and need for always for the read up some of the rules and the new rules the way FIFA always they create. Every year it's either they add or they amend certain rules into the game. So this exactly as a coach for me, you need to go there, type of shout out. Or get the understanding, says these are some of the rules. We all know yes, where penalty come. If somebody don't kick, the goalkeeper flick the ball out, or what you can say, they don't bat the ball out. Play again, guys for come finish again. You take the kick, get right for come finish. These are all rules. These are new rules. First time, the one type of change and a lot of things that you need for learn into the game. So this only can try to call upon to the attention of the referees and say yes. They also need for call upon the coaches and try to give them sensation into some of the new rules here, then new amendments here, so that NSF will get the understanding. But this is lack now. That is exactly all this value you can say. It very much it's uncalled for. So that's the need for they put power.
We go to the next story. The organizing committee of the Dr. Ernest Baiko Man Sophie don't donate 5 million leons to the Macari team plus 20 bag of fresh weighing at 25 kilogram. More on that, I put this report together. The organizing committee of the Dr. Ernest Bai Koroma Trophy they don't visit the Makari team will be involved by accidents. The one will be lead the delegation the Northern Region Chairman when Mr. Brema Jallo, and also the chief sponsor for the tournament when the opposition leader na the House of Parliament when Honorable Cherno Ramadan Majubabi also the part of the delegation. When they be reached the Makari team, they say this, then come for can greet Berry. It's not about money or any other thing. Then say the people of Makari as then colleagues Sierra Leoneans then weigh this team for them and then see the need for make them visit them. Well, pan they visit the organizing committee of the Dr. Ernest Bai Koroma Trophy been donate 5 million leons plus 20 bag of rice weighing at 25 kilogram for help the bereaved family for see how best then go continue for mourn the late players then way them be don't die. The way lead the delegation when the Northern Region Chairman when Mr. Brema Jallo been get this for say.
20 bags of rice. Nayeri, on behalf of the community, Makari, footballers, and all the one away present there, I want to say first of all a big thank you to Papa God. We make it possible for we for long together Naya.
Just after we Mr. Jallo be don't talk, then be also give opportunity to the newly named Makari team coach Usai that coach then go don't give the opportunity now for making go do coaching course now Freeton. And also from the Northern Region angle, then chairman also when Mr. Brema Jallo been talk say they don't promote them now to Division 2 now the Northern Region for make them the part of competitions then with the region they organize.
I appreciate all waiting on our competition because we made a week all along, then at the end, we can help white tears. For me, we play football, I don't see it takes. Football is solve football problem. So if you see now, today at the first day we miss Sabi, some of us, they made us play football from the 80s. I played for Port good 9 years and I handle this team for the past 10 years. I miss football now. But I'm trying to raise football to standard. It's not easy to lose this, sir. It's not easy. No, in fact, I'm a snake out. So it's like I really appreciate. You see, I want to help me. Let this thing come on and then go at the mind. Because I mean the coach will forget it that. Because now, I want someone immediately there. Let me count to one. Let we see how we will work. Because they all the help they will in part of TV. They will take me go on training. I like that. Then at the end of the day, we will build field for we. I like that. And then we will come second division. I love that. On hard work. Do ya? Una way there at the high table. And I don't forget me anymore. One day we will go. Still, I remember them. We were there, live. I want to tell on the count to get him to come meet me. I go appreciate that. When they see you now, that stigma will come off from there. If not, I go get a dart for the get them. So man, go only picking. He say take on the. Not tell you to go on the. But now did they see? The time when we play football, waiting discouraged me while I left football. That was Mighty Blackpool Port Authority. Who that can remember that game? They didn't go 30 boom in football. Now all me they play. There was no security in the game. But now, yes sir. But now so gentlemen, here
I come to Paulo, my studio analyst Paulo. You don't hear Mohamed today. You don't hear actually inside the organizing committee of the EBK come donate 5 million and rest to the Makari team will be involved for accidents.
For me, it's not surprising. It's not surprising. Of course, yesterday we just don't get a back from CS. One of the last other player then don't finally the winner. It is David Luiz is finally gone. Yeah. So that don't tell you very much our training players they really suffer, and these are fallen heroes waiting for always the will not forget. So for me, it's not surprising from the EBK organizing committee for come up with that kind of venture day, that kind of gesture day to the bereaved family and cry out to them. Not the money, not the things where they go, but that kind of for go out there, cry out to say yes. These people we are part of us. They are gone. So don't say yes. for sayers we don't go, but we still for remember them. These pastoral, they are heroes. There are people that we don't contribute a lot in promoting the game, in helping us and pushing certain things. So this is exactly what for always they cry for, So for me, the EBK, organizing committee, we want to thank them. We want to thank all the other committee, then all the other FCs, the FA way, they don't contribute immensely for CCS. Then we cry together with the bereaved family.
I think they release don't make 10 people now. We don't.
10 players. We finally gone.
Yeah.
That don't say and you remember me to go the last was it yesterday we go to we go to the hospital for go visit him, and according to which we see the pressure was too high for him, and of course basically tell you before we come out this years, and it's all in at the help of God, go able to help him out in succeeding in life again and say our best. But anybody will live into that particular accident day is a very great hero, and we always say remember says I was part of a very crucial accident.
The Northern Region Chairman, when Mr. Ibrahim Ajalobi also talks, they don't promote the Makai team to Division 2.
Yeah, that don't take in a way of also again consoling them and giving them more power, giving them the zealous mindsets. All is not lost. You still there. This is now way of what motivating them again, bringing them, giving them that kind of livelihood, giving them the life sayers. That's you have to go there again. All is not lost. Every time forget that the other players they always complement their effort. So one for tell Ibrahim Ajalo, the Northern Region Football Association chairperson for that kind of very much understanding and give them that kind of power. This is not only this. We can already cry out, say yes, they have to do more. The FA have to do more for always say remember these tools, because first time in the history, the Northern Region, Makeni municipality, forget this kind of capacity, this kind of players, fallen heroes in one day accident for fall this kind with 10 players now they are gone. This is very much sadful, and we pray that their gentle souls go rest in peace.
Okay, of course. So we next to also we go talk outside as a way for see how best them prepare themselves. Men and Queens na Makeni. We don't go play Malimba Queens now because one friendly match. You side the Malimba Queens, they actually beat them 3-0. I be then at the field and I put this report together. As the Sierra Leone Female Premier League set for can kickstart and win a playoff, the Men and Queens winner a team will be done based in the Northern Region winner a team where plenty people be know for their good performance when it comes to female football. We don't start the training session at the SD field said and they inactive training for see how best then they prepare them players then for the upcoming female playoff. Of course for Dudande and also then be make a bold move outside the Men and Queens been travel all the way from Makeni go na Binkolo outside them been go play friendly match against the Malimba Queens. The match may actually be a disappointing one for the Men and Queens as them be suffer 3-0 defeats at the hands of Malimba Queens. Just after the game be done, I be talk to the coach of Malimba Queens.
Today we didn't feel out there with the train very hard. I'm glad over that. We did progress to get 3 goals. And the other one really supported the country for really helpful for promotion. How
long gonna run the train?
I don't say where I've been on the train from 2009. I've been on blue and I just set up another new one. I call some of the old one and they all now coming. But I hope so they all will come the old one and we all the new one will get very hard for see the train.
Just after where I don't talk to the coach of Malimba Queens, I also go before for talk to the captain Wena Hawa, one of the outstanding female players and we be don't they play female football. He been faced lots of things them we be one discourage and for play, but he say now he feel motivated that this he been gets for say.
I feel good anyway because Malimba Queens na old team. Many people like Sabi but and they know about Malimba Queens. Like they facing many challenges because like where we they come for train more from people learn and they take and say na idleness like we really say we they play up till now we not see nothing but like now we just let the game no more and due to we come to the way they play some are not want for play but like we not say we they play the game we encourage them for let them play and if you want for relent but we talk to them.
Okay, so what's that you message to all these stakeholders then?
message to all the stakeholders dem, more the paramount chief na bin color. I go want for making go help we. I go want for making go put more effort. Let it help we financially and like we can get games then out.
Okay.
We can train.
Nobody not can give us support.
Yeah, always with manager and like Usa in there, take in the send. We not can receive anything from and quick. So like where we can get game, like where people like can call it for we go play out, we can train. Pass we coaching and they load whip and bike and go with me. So if we go check for go play, we not can reach there on time. But like we play, I like na for 20 minutes or 25 minutes.
The head coach of Men and Queens say despite the losing, optimistic say he go able to qualify for the Sierra Leone Premier League female playoff. He said they play the friendly match for know some of the problems the way they affect the team and try for put down the in place. Even get this for say.
Coach Ozil for Men and Queens, the head coach for Men and Queens. Well, this is a bad result for not going to reach back. This how we promote because this will not be expected to this year. So come for camp for not win this match. But if you turn out this way also, we still don't know the mistakes and the correction we will do before this competition also. And I know say yes, this is a young team where they form up because they're not 4 months, never mind the name, but they're not 4 months, they're 4 months. This year so now, right, Malimba, they don't pass almost years when they play. And you see by how the game they play, you see the team play well and people are happy self for the own team more than them. But I believe so we will much do better than the next match.
So what you say if you say how they go wrong?
Well, I see my own defense side say not a problem, but a lack of goalkeeping. And the goalkeeping area and the attacking force, the number 9 area and the goalkeeping, that the two sides and I believe say the problem from the side, from the team.
So what's next now for now?
Well, at the trial I emphasize on the management, they are let the LP, let our able finance the team, for let we able to get more support, for let we able to calling the keeper, we will be able to get to the team.
Thank you.
Yes,
One pan the player they will impress so many people we been there now they been color we been they watch the game now Abibatu can we plenty people they call Prince Boateng we na Men and Queen female player. He say despite the poor performance, he say he still no say then get a team we go able perform well. He been get this for say.
I'm not happy because the way I expect say the players them for can perform, but couldn't to say them perform for me. So that make me not happy. But anyway, because the team it just come up. Then I want because not to say we didn't play so much. So appreciate for the team who come meet up. Like me, I sabi plenty players they don't play for long. So I'm glad the back I can do with them. I can play together with them.
So how long you been on the play football?
Well, at this year now starts.
Okay. So far, how you go rate yourself? How you go rate yourself for play the game?
Well, all about me, my life, my ball, I want to play.
Okay. You not been a part of the starting team.
Men and Queens. This recent one I just can't do it.
I know. Now the game today you not start.
Na second half I can start.
Second half when you come, you perform so well. Where everybody be glad you will see performance.
Yeah, then I be so feel because I not start the playback. But never mind because the coach, the coach say do this. You just get for about it. Anything coach tell you. So patiently after first half, second half now play.
So what's next for now?
Well, I will just take them tomorrow to tell either I will get training or not. I will cope up the players and encourage them. Not to say oh they can't beat you, you don't lose everything. No. I will cope up to them and talk to them, pull them down, let just put effort.
Of course, disappointing one though for the fans of Men and Queens. There's
very
ahead of the playoff, as the playoff they come, you don't see they don't go
it's
so
very disappointing, very disappointing. But all is not lost. These are one of the female team that we expect of. We expect for so much because for they come up with a lot of good young girls. We see a lot of potential in them. The potential is the need for put more power, add the skills, give them the enthusiasm, give them the better way of what pushing forward. Now the league in at the corner for camp. We need to empower female football. So into short friendly match, Malima Queens, they are among the best female teams in the northern region. You can't dispute that fact. Say yes, they are among. If you are naming the best female teams, you name Suba United, female team, you name the Rising Queens. Of course, you consider the Malimba Queens. They're even found before the Rising Queens, because I can still remember in 2002, Suba, they were found in 2002, and 2 to 3 years, and along the line, the Malimba Queens come up, and the Rising Queens later follow suit. That don't take one of the oldest female teams then, and they still get a kind of players, and they make able change in.
Men and Queens losing against them.
For me, it's not surprising. I see,
but it's a friendly. See how best they prepare themselves, put all them players them in control.
That don't tell you they are doing a lot of trainings. They are putting more power, and that don't tell you the readiness now, because some of short friendly matches they permit you, they permit a lot of things them out. That don't tell you say yes. There's something something coming way past that day. For me, the men are Queens, not for relents. They have to play a lot of friendly matches. Let them play and know their weakness and say yes. Now you for battle up, for say yes, or for manage well, or put more strength here. So these are some of the things. That's why you play friendly matches before the Premier League starts to go to pre-season. For know some of these things. So for me, it's not surprising. And Manima Queens forget a 3 win. And I believe it's well deserved.
Okay. The program now, Weekend Sports, they get live on SLBC Television, Channel 24, na Makini. May they bring my name na Bagi. Of course, we go to we next to we go so we talk about the day wait till they make history in the world. What we all need for happy for. As the Sierra Leone Football Association President, when Madam Aisha Juansi, they don't elect her as a member of the FIFA Council. Of course, a very good one. More on than they put the report together. The president of the Sierra Leone Football Association, winner Madam Aisha Juansi, they don't elect her into FIFA Council following a wide margin victory. Madam Aisha Juansi defeats Burundian leader Nasekea, who be done in the position since 2013 by 28 votes to 4 way Ingel 24 during the CAF General Assembly will be take place in Rabat on Friday, and become the first West African woman for them elect at the council and the first Sierra Leonean for join the 37-person team. With in victory, the 56 years old go join Nigeria Amadou Pinnick, Egypt Hani Aboui, and Morocco Fauzi, and Mali Mamadou Touré, and Benin Matouni Charles as the Africa representative for represent Africa and the leadership of the World Football Governing Body. Before the pool, Johansen, will also double as the Chief Executive Committee member, share in ambition for the FIFA Council seat. He say it's truly humble and excited about what's in the future all and what's in the in store, and in desire now for play a role for encourage women them, then empower them as a force for good for governance and football development. Following Johansen in election win na the FIFA Council, they don't immediately replace her as a woman representative on the CAF Executive Committee by Comorian Kanzat Ibrahim. Ibrahim win na Comoros Football Federation Normalization Committee president, win by a landslide victory na the CAF Elective Congress. Of course, you don't listen to the report inside them puts Madam Aisha. You don't watch the report inside them puts Madam Aisha Johansen as the member of the FIFA Council. And also want for show you the live scene of the whole 43 CAF General Assembly Congress will take place inside Rabat, Morocco. The whole scene and how the election process being happen. As them being elect also or South African billionaire winner Patrick Motsepe as the new CAF president. Watch the highlights of the full ceremony.
S'il vous plaît. On va procéder à la proclamation
are going to proceed with the announcement of the results.
Les choses venaient de se passer tout à l'heure ici.
So I'll ask the Secretary General, to read out the results.
Merci, Monsieur le Président.
So thank you, Mr. President. So after the count, and here are the results. We are going to start off for the results for the Executive Committee members.
Jeanne, si tu peux mettre la slide suivante, s'il te plaît.
So we would like waiting for the slide.
Donc concernant le candidat féminin,
so that means the feminine candidate out from the 52 delegations. We have 52 valid votes. So the majority is 27.
Madame Kaniza a eu 35 votes. Et Madame Patricia en a eu 8. Madame Kaniza Ibrahim est donc élue pour ce poste.
Ms. Kaniza Ibrahim is elected for this position.
Nous passons à la position suivante.
So we go to the second position.
Concernant la zone Ouest A, 52 fédérations étaient présentes. Il y a eu 51 votes valides, donc la majorité absolue était fixée à 26.
Valid votes, so that means the absolute majority was fixed at 56.
A eu 37 votes.
So Mr. Faraji, 37,
Mamadou Souaré a eu 14 votes.
Mamadou Souaré, 14. So Mr. Faraji is then elected.
Nous passons à la position suivante,
we
la
go to
zone
the following
centre.
position, which is
50 votes, 52 votes utiles, donc la majorité était fixée à 27.
52 votes, so the majority is 57. So Mr. Jibril, 7.
En a eu 45.
And Mr. Seydon Jia has got 45 votes, so he is elected to this position.
Concernant la zone Est, 52 votes valides, donc la majorité fixée à 27. M. Waberi a eu 40 voix, M. Issa y a 12, M. Waberi est élu.
Waberi, 40, then he's elected.
Position suivante, pour finir, la zone Sud, 50 votes utiles ont été exprimés, la majorité a été fixée à 26. M. Elvis Chetty a eu 40 voix, M. Macklin Leswiti a eu 31 voix, M. Sidat 14 et M. Arthur Silva 15. Donc M. Chetty et M. Leswiti sont élus pour ces positions.
Mr. Chetty and Mr. Leswiti are elected.
Nous passons maintenant aux deux positions pour les représentants au Conseil de la
FIFA.
Concernant le groupe anglophone, 51 votes utiles, donc la majorité était fixée à 26.
So the majority was 26, so Mr. Pinnick got 43, Lando 8. So Mr. Pinnick was elected to this position.
Et enfin, la dernière position, la candidate féminine, 52 voix exprimées. La majorité fixée à 27. Madame Johansen a eu 28 voix. Madame Segera en a eu 24. Madame Johansen est donc élue.
So Ms. Johansen is elected.
Félicitations à tous les membres nouvellement élus.
Congratulations to the newly elected members, so the Secretariat will get in touch with you for the next meetings. So I think so we have finished off the election operations, the lucky candidates that won the resolution, we have finished the tasks for today, but what is ahead of us, is still harder, so we have all to work hard, for the benefit of the African football. I would like to have some.
Of course, that are the full highlights of the whole CAF General Assembly will take place inside Rabat, Morocco. Balo, Madam Aisha Johansen for being a member of the FIFA Council.
Me want for personally use this opportunity first of all for congratulating Madam for the big win day. Of course, that Dr. Yusuf we still got the mark, and then a big one for we need to celebrate as a country. We need to celebrate as a football partners, everybody, all the angle, we need to celebrate. Madam has done it, and she has worked immensely, very robust, that don't you say hard working, and she's still pushing at the international world. It's just that you need to come back now, at the country and try to fix up some of these, deep holes of the football business and the sporting thing that we don't happen. And of course, we don't see win by 28 votes and to 24. That's a very good one, huge one indeed. One, for me, I look at her and say, she's, as a female, somebody, then consider her first for empower her more, than a one fact. And two,
when a female in contest against that.
Yeah, contest. No, they are just pushing forward, and of course, forget more the power, because Madam, since we come up power as the slave for president, the international recognition, we always they say, she has got it already, you get that kind of high, high expecting that international world. You go to CAF, now you go to FIFA, you don't get that, it's very, it's called for, it's worth celebrating, for me. The Madam, the kind name we get at the international world, don't make her, don't become more big and more bigger. This exactly we think always the young for, don't get her better. we don't see before now, you know, you don't can host a world female tournament, you know, for the first time, you know, that became another better recognition again. We push up forward, very forward, you know, we can play on a hot morning sun last year by March, you know, the tournament's really on, you know, but people we are going there for tell and say yes, we love football, we want to see the very best of football. Then you try to promote football. Now you don't come, you don't go get that kind of a big honor in the world. Because we think. So
what do you expect from her now?
What I expect from her? They will look up to the elective Congress. If she's going to at least become again the for retaining position as the president of the Syrian Football Association, like and try for changing narrative, like put more power, put more emphasis in changing and building up something worth celebrating. The sonko, the challenges, the trouble is too much now with football. Every now and then they get. You sleepy wake at the watch me phone if I don't see press release. You know, for me, it could either be sport. It could either be from the FA or the NASA, the Ministry of Sport. You know, a lot of things all contain of football business. Let me try to stop this. Okay. Madam, you don't come in, you preach now say yes, football for peace. So now we see the narrative and of course lead by the example.
Of course, Mohamed Paulo Toué, me analyst inside the program, we now Weekend Sport, just continue for sending text, and the number where they see now scream. So, inside the players abroad, see the one for Saliba, one Sierra Leonean female player, where they make name, of course, they wave the green, white, and blue flag. The name na Fatoumata Touré, plenty people they call her Drogba. Of course, Drogba na a female player where we don't they, and this parts of the country where they play, and a popular figure among people where they follow football. In team where they play for Blanco FC na Labria, and play presently in position at number 9, and they play the Orange National Women's First Division League. And that First Division League, they, of course, they don't play the Division League. And as I talk to you, so now Drogba gets 14 goals where he don't score. Now the Liberian Orange Female League win a Division League and a very good performance for a Sierra Leonean of that type within another country, the way they put up this performance. As you see in highlights of the screen, the Drogba, they play the ball, so the cooks and they do in skills them. And one of the most talked about players presently in Liberia with in good performance and in number 9 position, a goal scoring attributes all the non-link, and so the player himself when Didier Drogba when he mentor. You know Drogba and Drogba performed very well.
Fatoumata Touré, I remember a few years back when he became more Freetown, they can join the Super United. They part of the best glories of Super United since it was found in 2002. You know, they part of the Airtel Rising Stars where they win several times. You know, the Kibelami Foundation, you know, the Bishop Tournament, you know, a lot of tournaments, the Caritas Tournament. She was part of that glory. And they don't win the best and top goal scorer ever for Super United before leaving Super United, joining Mahmoud FC in Freetown. And of course, now Blanco FC in Liberia. For me, it's not surprising for Fatoumata Touré, who we already call Drogba. Of course, you get the attribute of the Ivorian male footballer, Didier Drogba. You know, it is called Drogba. You know, another kind of a female attacker way Sierra for always stay proud of. And of course, I can still remember that time when they went, when they go to Morocco, scoring the only goal way. You know, we Sierra be proud of. We will be leading by 2 goals to 1. You know, we don't score a lot of goals, and so for me, it was a very good one for Fatoumata.
Of course, Fambul will take with last story in the program. You know, Karim Benzema scored last minute goal for Real Madrid beat Elche 2-1 at the La Liga. Of course, now a very good performance from the Real Madrid side. It's a performance. Plenty of people will be facing the loss. But come out from the Blues and win the match 2-1.
Olha a bola, pra dentro da área, chance, é zebra! Gol do Elche! O pequenininho Elche, Dani Calvo, zagueiro, aparece para mandar para a rede. A zebra vai passeando na 27ª rodada do... Bola para dentro da área. E aí a arbitragem vai parar. Bola vai saindo pela linha de fundo.
A Vinícius Casemiro, Kroos, Modric.
Olha a bola para terminar, Lucas Vasquez. Ele parte para cima da marcação, fica dentro. Trabalha mais uma vez o Elche. Real Madrid tentando se salvar, tentando recuperar a bola. Real Madrid. Aí levantamento, bola para a área, chance, a bola perigosa passa na frente do gol. Casemiro estava lá de novo para tentar o empate. Vinícius Júnior baixa a cabeça, segura a bola, Luka Modric, levanta, mandou lá para dentro, Benzema!
Esse é o 14º jogo dele na temporada, agora voltando em...
Lá vem ele, Benzema, rolou, Rodrigo soltou, vamos ver a batida para fora, a bola de Casemiro. O Zidane toma até água. Estava preparado ali com a garganta seca, Karim Benzema. Domina o camisa número 9, Rodrigo. Benzemito! Gol!
Yes, I mean, follow up the match before off from the cinema yesterday, and we all know Real Madrid, the game on the morning they will say la today, for eligible for score against Real Madrid. Now a very good comeback again for Real Madrid against that Cindy. That don't say yes, the La Liga still not get winner it, not become decisive it. Of course. Now the two teams that don't play, Etienne don't play against Madrid, we end up in a 1-1 draw. Now get for it's a Clásico and Atletico Madrid get for play Barcelona. These are the decisive games and we, for me then 3 contenders here get for CCS. This now may feature now CS and will be the winner for the La Liga Saturday, the 2020 to 2021 football season. So for me it's a good one indeed for Karim Benzema, the Frenchman international.
Of course, now time for text message. This one say congratulations to Madam Aisha Joansi, makes you alone proud. God bless you. Hope say you go good now for the interest of all Sierra Leoneans. This one say medallion team Muslim Stars go qualify to the Premier League and then go up and they will likely go win the Premier League the coming season. This one coming from Kalusha Bala. Another message also coming from Gypsy Develop Unit. It say, plenty thank you to the organizing committee of the Ernest Baiko Man Trophy, for donate that amount. Shows good gesture, and also plenty thank you to the chairman for the region, for move that team into Division 2. This one they come up from Gypsy Develop. The final message here say, by we Real Madrid, we optimistic say. Will go and win the La Liga and also win the Champions League. Of course, this they come out from Aruna, in a Real Madrid fan. Of course, Famula, all this we get time for inside the text message and also the full edition of the program Weekend Sports. Before I go, I want to say plenty thank you to my colleague when I'm Mohamed Baulu Toure, who joined me as analyst. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Of course. Colleague sports reporter with the work for Hamzat's Radio, and plenty thank you to my cameraman for this edition, winner engineer Abbas Kumkanda, and plenty thank you also they go to the team Victor Bangura, and also my editor winner Manja Sanja of the Sanjenic Studio, and plenty thank you to my executive producer winner station manager Mr. Nasiruddin Kuruma. On behalf of the team, Ibrahim Bari China. And I may bring Weekend Sport this edition. Till next week, we Weekend Sports to come on television again. I want to say tata. Have a lovely weekend. Bye-bye.